So I'll be switching to Bitcoin to, sorry guys, to the monthly time frame, because that is where I do start my top down analysis. So from the monthly, and I believe if I can be able to spot the direction first before any other thing, then looking for entries will not be a problem for me. So I believe you guys can see hear me.
Loud and clear, brother.
Clear,
Right on.
brother. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So sorry, let me take everything out so that the chat won't be messed up. Okay. Okay, so basically the concept I trade personally is not something that I have to do with much things. It's not something that I have to do with indicators or the rest. So it's just a straightforward something that you look for. And looking at this BTC on this month time frame, I can see a key level here. Oh my god, yes. I can see a key level here that have been disrespected to the upside. So and when key level is being disrespected to the upside, this key level now is basically an ancient key level that is meant for sales. This key level now is actually meant for sales. This A-shaped key level. So I was expecting that if price taps to it, it should bounce back, probably to fill this imbalance here that price have created on this pricing level. So, but unfortunately, price didn't. This key level didn't push price down. So it happened that price violated to the upside. And one thing about key level is when price disrespected key level, it will actually use that key level against price again. That is, it will actually use that key level for buys instead of sales again. So looking at this BTC USD on this monthly chart now, I'm actually anticipating more of buys, because my monthly key level that should have lead to a drop will have been disrespected. So I'm expecting a like this particular high now to be taken out on the monthly before any other thing. This particular high now to be taken out before any other thing. So and this is actually my monthly key level. So once I have laid this foundation now for myself and for every other person that is in this room, I think the next thing that we have to do is to switch to the next time frame to like frame the buyers. Unlike, because I know most of us here we are not swing traders or traders that can just pick an entry from the any high time frame that we say set up or whatever. So we have to be doing the stuff, breaking it down to the lower time frame to get to our entry time frame or whatever. So once as we have obtained this what we need on the monthly time frame now, I think the next thing that we have to do is go to the next lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. But before we go to the weekly time frame, let me still lay this emphasis here. This is another key level that have been disrespected to the upside. The another key level that have been disrespected to the upside. So looking at this particular place now, two things is involved. I'm going to be anticipating two things, which is there's every possibility that price will likely disrespect this key level again to the downside, whereby if something of that nature happens, it will actually mean that price will like retrace back to that particular key level again, and then sell down to this key level. Then when you try to sell down to this key level, it have cleared this particular imbalance that price have sorry guys, that price have created on the monthly chart. Because I basically believe that price does two things. Price only take liquidity and price rebalance with imbalance. So that is basically the two things that price does. And once you have grabbed that particular concept, once you have grabbed the information there, I think you are good to go. So two things is what I'm anticipating. If actually this monthly candle that is forming now, if it can be like to close below this key level, then I'll be looking for for a sales. But personally for me now, from next week, I'll be looking for buy, because this is actually writing on very close to the nearest key level. So I'm looking for a price reaction there to like continue the buys. So then let's then switch to the next pattern, which is the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame now, what I'll actually be anticipating is two things. That is a sweep and a break. A sweep and a break. Then let's go to the line chart, because that is where the information lies. Line chart is where the information of the concept I trade, like that is structural liquidity and killer, that SLK. So we are very very friendly with line charts. So looking at this particular line chart now, I can see that this is another key level here. This is a key level. So I'll actually mark it on the weekly time frame, because I told you guys I'll be looking out for two things, which is price have rejected from the monthly key level. So what I'll be looking in the next frequent time frame is a break to the upside. Then I'll use that particular key level to continue the buys. So let's check let's check the candles. Let's see if yes, that is actually a key level. So so this is actually another key level. So and on this weekly chart, I don't have anything now to. Okay, let me change this so that it won't get most of you confused. So this is the green line. The green line is the monthly key level. So why this blue line is the weekly key level that price is respecting. And looking at this weekly chart, price have taken internal range liquidity. So there's there is every possibility that the buys will actually continue from any moment from tomorrow. So this is internal range liquidity that price have cleared in a single candle formation form. So the information now have been led, but we can't just take an entry from this particular level, because I think the challenge is actually most like the strategy for the challenge is mostly for scalping and red, because I think Martingale is a scalping instrument or whatever, because I don't actually know much about it, but I used to heard of it. So once you have grabbed this information now from the weekly, that is to say that weekly is being aligned with the monthly. So we'll be switching down now to the daily to see if daily is actually aligning with the weekly. So let's switch to the let's switch to the daily. So so this is the daily. This is the daily price. So looking at this daily reaction now, what I'm waiting on this daily reaction, because what price have given me on the monthly is what price have actually given on the weekly. So what I'm actually going to anticipate now is two things. That two things is we always pay close attention to how candle closes and how candle reject. That is how candle reject on a key level and how candle closes on a key level. So that is to say, if actually that this particular weekly key level now, if this particular candle now can be able to like retrace back and close above this key level when market opens, then automatically I'll be bullish from tomorrow on BTC USD. So if actually that this particular daily candle, sorry, we're unable to like close above this weekly key level, then I'm anticipating for buys. That buys will be able to like take out this particular high at the end of the week, or even by the end of next week or whatever. So at this particular point now, I'll be kind of waiting on BTC USD, but I can't just conclude that I'll be waiting. So we'll be going down to the 4 hours, down to the 1 hour to like check critically on the lower time frame. That is the 1 hour, probably with the 30 minutes, to see if it's still giving bullish vibes, because we don't actually want to trade against the trend. So that is it. So let's switch to the 4 hours. I believe you guys can see hear me, right?
Loud and clear. Making a lot
Hello,
of
hello.
sense.
All right, all right,
We
all
can
right.
hear you. We can hear
All
you.
right, sir. All right, sir. So, so this is the week, the 4 hours. For so 4 hours now. If actually this particular candle now should be able to mitigate on this skill level, then I should be anticipating that this particular candle would have not been formed. So, but what I'll be looking at this particular 4 hour candle now is I'm looking at it as a a rejection or an internal range liquidity that have been cleared. So it's still giving the vibes I am looking out for. It's still giving the vibes I'm looking out for. And what is look pay close attention to this information that I want to like drop again now. This is another key level on the 4 hour. This is an A-shaped key level. Let's go to the line chart. So this is another A-shaped key level. Let me mark it. So this particular key level now is actually used for sales. That is, I should be anticipating something like this on it when price trade off to it, and bounce back. So, but regarding to the foundation that we have laid from the monthly, I'll be anticipating that particular key level shouldn't hold. Let's switch to charts. So that particular key level now, I was expecting that it shouldn't hold. So what I'll actually be waiting for now is something like this on this particular 4 hours. If I see something like this on this particular 4 hours, then from tomorrow I'll be looking for buys for another bullish candle to form like this and close above this particular key level. So once something like that happens on this particular BTC USDT, what I'll be actually looking for again is, let me change the color so that you guys can see it very clearly. Hmm. So let me change the color so that you guys can see it very clearly. So okay. Okay, so something like this is what I'll be anticipating on BTC USD by tomorrow. So if price can able to trade up again, closes above this particular level, what I'll be anticipating is for price to create internal range liquidity and come back to take it out and to tap into that particular key level and drop again. Something like this, tap to that particular key level and drop and start buying. So at this particular point now, I'm on a waiting mode on BTC. So, but if actually that this particular key level now, if actually that price didn't create something like this, so I'll be looking for more of sales. So probably this particular daily can, but I think there's every possibility that price will do something like this. So price will like reject between this price and this daily key level and this, between this monthly key level and this weekly key level, in between this particular gap now, price will have a possibility to react off again to break above this particular 4 hours A-shaped key level, then create an internal range liquidity to tap to that key level again and buy. So that is actually what I'm anticipating on BTC USDT from tomorrow. So I think I you guys understood what I explained. So
Wow,
if
wow.
if
Thank you
somebody
so much,
didn't
Michael.
if
I just
somebody
have a
didn't
question.
understand this, oh yeah, all right, you can ask, sir.
My question is now entering the market tomorrow.
Yeah.
If we have this bullish 4 hours candle that engulf
That killer. Yeah.
9,700,
Yeah.
and you have a pullback there as expected,
Yeah.
take and return.
Yeah.
So I want to just talk about risk management. How will you enter?
Okay.
Would you like to lock in only
Okay.
one position, or do you think it's okay to enter multiple position
Okay.
if the pullback keeps coming down.
Enter multiple position if the
What I
pullback
mean
keeps
is
coming down.
sometimes
What I mean
on that 4 hours candle,
Yeah.
you have a pullback at the break. It returns pullback 9,74325. If the week continuously dropping down, drop down to maybe around 98.315 line.
Yeah.
What are the risk management entry types you are looking for? Like how often are you entering until you stop deciding that you are buying on that side after the full breakout?
Okay.
Above that candle
to answer your question is this: why I'm actually anticipating for this particular bullish expansion to break this particular A-shaped key level is for confirmation. This is like if for other people, like other people that trade other concepts, they'll call it, this is what I call my own change of character. This is what I will regard as change of character. So once this particular scenario have been met on these 4 hours, one thing about this strategy is not that it's not about hyping it, but when it gets the information right, it's actually give a very tight stop. So like everything that says that price will actually be taken off from a particular key level or particular pricing level that it should take off. So, but to answer your question, if actually that, because what I'll be looking out for now, let's like I wouldn't personally, for me, I won't be entering on these 4 hours. For me, I'll be entering on these 4 hours. So on this particular daily, on this particular 4 hours now, on this particular 4 hours now, if price should do something like this, start to this particular clip, it must react off aggressively to the upside, breaking another structure. Are you now breaking another structure? That is something like this. Sorry, I understood your question, but let me put this notion here before I can actually answer your question. So that is something like this. Are you with me now, sir? So this particular scenario now that I did will actually will actually be happening on the 1 hour. Will actually be happening on the 1 hour. So like once this particular scenario now have been met on the 4 hours, this is what you'll be looking out for on the 1 hour. A significant break to the upside, then price retrace to it. So once you see that yes, price have retraced to that particular key level, there's on let me say on 90% scenario that price will likely take out this particular low, that is that this 4 hours key level now. So I will personally, for me, I'll be entering on that particular key level. My stop loss below these 4 hours key level that have been dispersed to the upside. So it's just simple as that. If I'm risking 2% of my account, it just stop loss or take profit. I don't go with break even. I don't go with adding position while you are in loss. But I trust I trust my concept. If I should get it right, price must actually like tap to it and take off. If you guys actually see the trade BTC trade that I took today, three of them that I took today, I just deleted it while I was about to share this screen. I don't know if any of you like saw the trade. They are not like their stop was just very low. They're just very tight stops. So that is actually how I trade and how beautiful this concept is. So that is that. To answer your question, I don't add position to a losing trade. So I go with stop loss or take profit. Or if anything happened that yes, I saw that price have invalidated the setup, then I have to like take my profits. I shouldn't be arrogant to the market. I have to like take my profit. But once I see that prices haven't validated the setup, then there's no need of putting breaking or whatever. So I don't know if I answer your question, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Time. Let's just quickly allow MC Clover Comfort from Port Harcourt. I think that's the name you use, brother. You can unmute yourself and quickly touch gold because our time is up. Unmute yourself and quickly touch gold. Clover Comfort, because of time, can you unmute very quickly, touch gold, so we can just leave now. Our time is up, and I feel like rounding up so we can leave.
Yeah, hello. Hello, can you hear me?
We can hear you loud and clear.
Can you hear me?
Is yours.
I should use my mic, okay? Let me use my mic. Can you hear me?
We can hear you. We can hear you clearly.
Okay, fine. Nice one. So let me share my screen right now. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yet? Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, not yet. Oh, okay. I'm coming. Coming.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay. Now you see my screen. I'm trying to share my screen right now for everybody to see. Okay.
Are you sharing your screen now? I still share your screen.
Yeah, I'm trying to share my screen right now. It's 2 minutes.
Please, I have a suggestion. Maybe someone should help him with a screenshot or direction to make it by turning down.
Igwe, you were saying something. You didn't finish talking. Madubuchi, you were saying something. Maclover,
Yes,
we can't hear you.
I say that maybe someone should help the young man to, change the camera in order to show us the screen easily.
Okay. He's a trader now. He know how to do it. I think his problem now is the network. Maclover, are you still do you think, is it okay for me to share my screen and you can explain from my screen? Do you want me to help you share my side?
If I explain from my screen, it will be very, 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 very good.
So is it network that's the issue from your side now?
Okay, you share your screen. I can explain from here.
Okay, let's try that because of the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want you to actually do gold. Can you go ahead with gold?
Yeah. Let's go gold.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Here we are on gold, XAUSD, Rwanda.
First of all, go to a 1 day, a day time frame first.
Daily time frame. XAUSD daily time frame. Here we are.
Time frame. Nice one, nice one, nice one. You can see on that daily time frame that what the system was, retrieve back again. So tomorrow we are about to start from where it stopped down up to 29, up to 2813. That is where we are going to take profit tomorrow. But let's do some analysis here. Let's do some analysis here. Now, get me indicator. Go to the indicator.
Yeah.
Can you give me an indicator there? I need indicator I need is parabolic sarcastic indicator.
Can you spell it?
Sarcastic is P.
I'm here. Can you spell the indicator you want?
Yeah, PRABOLIC, then CAR. Parabolic sarcastic indicators.
Okay, this one, the first one. Or the second one? Which one do you want?
Yeah. Parabolic sarcastic indicators, SAR. SAR. You see SAR.
Done. This network is crazy, and right now we are hooked. Here we are.
Oh no, I didn't see the color of the sarcastic. Give me the green. Change that color to green. Change it to green. Change it to green or black. Change it to green. Then you change it to green. Let's go. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. I see. Good. I got my sarcastic indicators here. So after you now fix your sarcastic indicator on the green or any color that you like, it will now reflect. Then you need to go for a 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame. Are you there? 1 hour time frame.
1 hour time frame gold. Here we are.
Yes. Give me a 1 hour time frame.
Can you see my screen?
So when you reach this 1 hour time frame, you are going to see that sarcastic indicator shows you the market is going to be an uptrend line. So what can you do? Where can you find your entry? Right now, do you see where there's? Are you there? Are you there?
Live and clear. Yes. Go ahead, please.
Very good. So now watch the screen very well. Green line is sarcastic indicator goes down. Right now, it is at the top. It is at the top corner. So if you drop that 1 hour time to the last participant, you don't need to enter. Just drop it down.
I didn't get what you want me to do.
That's why my screen could have been very, very, very interesting for me. Draw it down. Very good. So now, nice one. Okay, are you there? Can I continue?
Yes, please go ahead.
Very good. So this stochastic indicator shows up. Anytime you see that sign up, meaning the market will go down. So it meaning a sell trade. Anytime that stochastic enters down, it shows that the market will goes up. So if you follow those indicator very well, you are going to make a lot of profit in. So stochastic is very key. If you don't know how to use any indicator, this one is one of the best indicator to use. I say that anytime stochastic indicator is up, it means that it will be a downtrend, a sell trade. It goes down, it will be a buy trade. Then how can we be sure that it will be a buy trade? Where can we enter a buy order? You can't just come to 1 hour and then you now want to buy. No, you must find your entering price first. You must look for your support first. Now, the packet already shows a consolidation price before it skyrockets. Then it now reverse again in the consolidation top price here. It must first of all come down to the consolidation of support before you think of buying. So now it is on the selling order. So let us go to the 5 hour or 5 minutes time frame. It will explain everything clear, your entering point. So please, can you go to the 5 minutes time frame for entering points?
Just a moment.
So I said 5 minutes time frame for entering point. Are you there with me?
5 minutes time frame here.
Yeah, nice one, 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 nice one. Very clear, nice one. So if you check very well, you will see that it's still based on the first order. That means the 1 hour time frame is still respond the same thing. The stochastic indicator are still up. So that means it will give me opportunity to enter a sell order. So if you check down there, the down here is where you are going to take your profit. It's not a long trade, it's a short trade. So quickly enter a sell order when the market declare open. And when it open, put your take profit at 2795. And then you hold on for a retrieval. After that, the market will skyrocket into a buy order. Is it clear? Did that point clear? Did that point clear?
It is clear, yeah. Okay.
But repeat the point, please.
I said that when the market declare open tomorrow or this night, the first thing to do is to enter a sell order. So when you enter a sell order, nice one, nice one, nice one. Now take profit at where I say you should take the own profit. After that, you now wait for a retrieval and enter a buy order. So it will be a sell before a buy. You know what I'm saying? During the day, it will now skyrocket back to the buy order. But as the market declare open, you must trade a sell order. Nice one. That is a sell order trade when the market declare open. Yes. So down there, very good. So very good. The consolidation price comes in, then you now skyrocket back. Where will you take profit from the buy order during the day? It is during the 1 day time frame that we started. If you go to the 1 day time frame, a day time frame, you see where to take profit during the day. The 1 day time frame, you check, see the candle stop there. You see where the market stop before it retrieve. That is where we are going to take profit during the day. That is the place we are going to take on profit during the day. So you are entering a 2 order tomorrow, a sell order and then a buy order instantly. So when the system open, enter a sell order. Take your own profit and wait. When you now on retrieve, then you now enter a buy order. You take a profit and then at the end of that arrow. That is how to enjoy the gold tomorrow. Is it clear?
Very, very clear. Very, very clear.
Very, very clear. So I should explain again. I say sarcastic indicator is one of the indicator that will help anyone that just come in to understand how to trade, how to read. This is how to read it. Go to the 1 day time frame first and see how the system is. If it show the candle show red, meaning that throughout the next day, the candle will be a sell order throughout the next day. But now it's showing a retrieval of a buy order, a green on candle. And indicator of the sarcastic is still down on the 1 day time frame. It means that it will be a buy order throughout the day. So where I show you is where we are going to take profit before tomorrow end. But a quick trade comes in when the market open. So you enter when the system open tomorrow early, you enter a sell order first. After that, you wait for a consolidation. After consolidation, before you now enter your buy order and enjoy your profit at the end of the day, 1 hour, 1 day time frame. That is where to take your own profit after you enter a buy order and enjoy the gold. The analysis.
Thank you so much, brother.
I'm explaining on a
Thank you. That was a clear analysis.
No more questions. Thank you so much. Can you kindly drop?
That was very clear.
Yeah, very clear and easy.
Mr.
Can
James,
you drop your Instagram handle? Can you drop? Yeah,
I should drop my Instagram handle. Yeah, sure. Umoren IK32. Umoren UMOREN IK32. Umoren IK32. UMOREN IK32.
hello, Mr. James.
Yes, please talk to me.
A quick one, because I trade gold, so I would just like to give a short analysis on gold.
Share your screen.
My screen is bad anyway, but I just want to.
You want me to share mine?
Yeah. Just a little. I would call this
Okay,
one
let me bring
stress-free.
another gold.
Yeah, on gold.
Let me bring another gold.
Yeah, yes.
Let me bring another type of another one. I think let me bring TVC.
Okay.
So that I don't miss the other one. Okay, you have the floor now. I'm removing everything. So here you go. That's gold on daily time frame.
Oh, I can't see.
Mr. Kim,
It's
is
like
it parabolic or static? Is it
Okay, the
parabolic or
person asking
static?
for that indicator parabolic. Have you seen that? The person asking for that one.
Is it parabolic or static?
Look at it now, please. Copy it. Parabolic. The mic is now yours, brother. Please continue.
okay, but I can't see the chart anyway.
Let me stop sharing and share again. I'll stop sharing. I'll share
Okay,
again.
it's parabolic.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen again. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can see the screen. Go ahead.
All right. So the mic is
please, can
yours.
you give me daily time frame? And I want the line.
Daily time frame.
Yeah, I want the line.
The line charts.
Line
Yeah.
chart. Very, very good. Now, do you have Bollinger Band, the indicator?
Bollinger.
Yeah, Bollinger Band.
Should I pick any one of them?
Wait, let me see.
1, 2, 3.
Just the Bollinger Band. The one,
1, 2,
just
3.
the one. No, the 4. No, calm down, slow down. The one, the Bollinger Band. No, go down.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, correct. Yes, thank you. Now, let's do the setup. Go to the settings. Yeah. Settings.
Yeah.
Settings for Bollinger Band. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the length 200.
Length 200.
Yes, thank you. That's all.
Okay.
So, can you please stretch the screen? Let me see. Which this one are you using?
Gold.
No, stretch it. I can't. It's too bold. I need to shrink it. Shrink it.
Shrink my screen.
Yeah, shrink. Yeah, like this. I can't. Like, I need to see the last trend. The last line, please.
Okay, the last swing low.
Yeah. Where we currently are at the market. Yes. Now, if you this is what I do on a weekly, daily basis.
Okay.
There are two things that happens in the market. We are either buying or we are selling. Okay. Are we together?
Yes.
So we are either buying or we are selling a particular instrument. So now what I do is I look out for the one that I will be buying and the one I will be selling. Are we together? So if I'm so what I will be doing for gold, because if you go through the fundamentals now, you will see that the USD is actually strong now.
Yes.
So I want to sell gold. That is what I want to do for this week. Now, if you check the Bollinger Band now that you can see now, you can see that there are three lines. One is the upper line, the middle line, and the last line. So what you now do for me is I need Fibonacci.
Fibonacci.
Yeah. So let your Fibonacci touch the last line, and you drag it from the last the red line down to the last line, please. Your Fibonacci. Yeah. Good. So now in this market now, like the person that explained about gold initially using another indicator, he was explaining to us that we should be looking for sell. So how do I look for sell in a market like this? Because my own bias for the week also is sell. I want to sell gold. So what we must do is you can see you have 100%, 78, 61, 50, and the likes. Are we together?
Yes.
So at this peak, I will be selling down to the 50%. So that will be, I'll be selling, that's on a long swing, yes. On a long swing. So I'll be selling from this 228 no, sorry, I can't see your screen, right? From this line, this last candle now, the market is at 27997, right?
Yes.
2797. So it is in my zone for sale. So whatever is happening around there now, I want to sell down to I want to sell down to this 50%. That's what I want to do. Are we together? That's on a long swing. Are we together? Because the fundamental is showing me that the US dollar is very, very strong. So what I do is I do layers. I enter the markets with my I lay out with my 0.001, to start with. So to know that the market is actually going my direction. So that is what I do. So once I have a confirmation, yes, 0.001, yes, confirm. So once I have a confirmation at around 78%, are we together? I increase my lot size. Because I am very, very optimistic that gold will sell. Gold will sell, at least for this week. So we start with 0.001. We target, it depends on your capital anyway. So if yes, you get it. I like that. 0.001. Then you layers. So if you are targeting, let's say, all your lot size will be, let's say, one lot size. You don't enter the position like one lot size immediately. You layers, and as it comes to your position, you increase your lot size. So that is on the long. That is on a long target. Are we together? Now, on the short swing, like scalping that we are doing, because the theme for this February is scalping. So this is for people that are doing long trade. Are we together? For the short trade now, what I do is, please help me go to H4. So this is for if you are doing a long-term trade, okay? Now, if you want to do a short-term trade, like my brother explained when he was analyzing the market for Kenny, now give me candlestick. So what I do, please help me stretch them so I can see the candlesticks very well. So what I will be looking for in H4, are we together, is where the
Yes.
market have that's where the market engulfs. Yeah, you understand. Wherever the market, like what you can see here, you see that there is a rejection down. Are we together?
Yes.
So you put a very long straight line down, like a line. You cross it on that zone. I think you will see it more on online. Okay, let's do it online. Let's do it online so it will be clear. You see that line that you guys, this skinny now, just put a line like you are drawing a parallel line down.
Like this?
Yes. Just slant it more.
Like this?
No. No, not something like this. You slant it so that last point before the uptrend. That last point, take it to that last point.
This one?
No. You're not getting it.
Price. What price? What price?
Okay, maybe when I come, when I
Live.
no. This how do I do it now? This N, the beginning of the N. Okay, this W. Can you see the W?
This one.
Something like this. Yes, something like this. Yes. Thank you. No, go back.
Yeah.
Yes, from that point. Yeah, I like that line. Okay. Thank you. Now, what we are looking for. So let's go back to the candlestick now. If you check this line now, you see that there is a push. When the market touch this line, there's an up, like there's a push up. Now, let's check this line that engulfed above this, and there's I don't know how to explain this now without my screen. And go up, go. No, not that place. Go up a little. Yes, come down. Come towards the left side. That red line. Yes. Now let there be a cross down. Yes. Yes. So now, if you check now, if I want to do like any, what's it called? If I want to enter this market now, what I'm looking for, I want to sell down to this line, to this 2780. Are we together? So I'm selling down from 2797 to 2780. That is over how many pips? Please, I need your calculator.
Around 130 pips. That's thereabout.
So if you are doing 130 pips now, let's say on 0.01, that should give you around $13, right? 0.01.
$13.
That is that is $13. No, you are saying 30. What are you doing?
$10. $13.
That should be 13. So if you have like 5 positions, you are putting 30. This is about 130 pips now. 97 to 87, 100. Then it's 7. So we are looking roughly
It's actually 170 pips.
170. Yes.
It's actually 170.
So 170, that's about $17. So if you are using a small
$17, yes.
If you are using a small size account, so on this short, you have about $17. Then if you are doing, let's say, what I usually do is I do 5 positions. So if I know I'm making $17, are we together?
You understand?
If I have like 5 positions opened,
So how many minutes are you finishing?
if I have 5 positions open, let's do the maths. That's about
17 times 5.
That's 35. Sorry, I'm terrible at math. Somebody should just help us.
You should see that. You should see that.
So whatever the sum, that is the target for a small account. So now, like I've shown you on the Fibonacci now. Number one,
that's it. A total of $85.
$85 on a small account.
Yeah, on the small account, yes.
For somebody that wants to, maybe, for me, I go all in because all my charts, everything is showing that it's going to sell. But for someone that is in doubt, you might open maybe 2 positions or maybe try one for the first time, to catch that peak. But for me, I'll be doing 5 positions. So I think that is just, but the overall bias for gold is sell. The overall bias for gold is sell. So I think that's just what I want to chip in.
All right. Thank you very, very much. Because of time, we have to round up. I actually wanted us to end since 8 p.m., but we have to take it all night long. We've seen oil. We've seen oil for a buy. We've seen Bitcoin for a buy as well. We've seen gold also for a sell, outright sell from the beginning. Market open tonight, outright sell. Then in towards afternoon, if there is a break to the downside, we continue selling swing. But if there is no break to the downside, there is a reversal pattern based on the first trader is of the opinion that we should continue buying because it's on overall bullish move since Friday. So, and if the market breaks below that level marked by the second, there is a strong indication that reversal could come as low as 50% Fibonacci level of that 100 of that daily time frame. So while we are going to do that and take care of what happens tomorrow, so we'll see how the trading will go live. The trader is going to come live tomorrow to execute this position in our presence. The person that is selling will sell and explain why he's selling, while the person that is buying will buy and explain why he's buying. But of course, I think we're going to stay in one direction tomorrow so that we can all be uniform. And if you are not comfortable with the trading position, you have to hold your peace. You have to hold your peace. If you are not comfortable with the decision, you have to hold your peace. Even if you are comfortable, just like the second analyst said, he said, if as a new person to what is happening, instead of you opening all your risk, you don't understand this thing, you don't know the position, you are just doing it because a professional who always does it successfully is doing it. So you should use a very tiny risk such that if it doesn't go well, if it closes at the stop loss, you are not losing so much. So that is like a lesson for you to go ahead and learn. So if you know you are not comfortable with the position, don't open the position. Just watch the trader take the position and you watch. Then the second time again, when you see such a position, you can go ahead and choose the position that you are comfortable with. Not all the position might be a position for you to comfortably open lot sizes, but for the purpose of holding the position and testing what the trader is saying or doing, I always recommend that traders should use cent account. If you are using it, allows you to test any position that the trader has a very strong bias and convincing reason for you to jump into that position. Then you test it by opening the position on a cent account, which will do no damage to your account. Even if the trade go 50 pips against you on 5 position, maximum you are going to lose is around $2, 50 pips against you, because the cent account, it represents 100 of a cent is equal to $1, is equal to $1. So even if you have a 50 pip stop loss on a cent account, your cent account will not damage your $100 account. So that is for those who have small accounts. Those who have bigger accounts, one of the things you can do is to point out a trader. Those who have bigger accounts, one of the things you can do is to identify a trader that is doing it very well and tap on the copy or Naga. Identify the trader, tap on the copy or Naga. Once you tap on the copy or Naga, that's all. Your account automatically copy that person at a lower risk that you will choose for yourself. So if you log in on Naga and then you go to where you find these traders, everybody trading. If Simple Trading Professor is trading, if Ariko is trading, if anybody is there trading, you will find them by their nickname. The moment you see their performance, that this performance is making a whole lot of sense, you can just go ahead and tap on automatic copy, and you'll be able to copy that trader. Instantly, its next position, you'll be able to copy it. A trader with a 98% win rate, with 1,252 followers from Germany, and with 274% profits made by people copying his trade, 191 people copying him, and he's copying nobody, and 4,700 people checking his trade, is a trader that is worth copying. So if you click on auto copying, it's going to automatically give you a setting for you to copy the trade, and it's going to ask you what percentage of his trade do you want to copy. Usually I ask you to always start with 1%. So if it opens a position, you are going to choose the percentage amount, 1% you want to copy, and automatically copy the trader. So if you come back there, you can also suspend the trader so that you don't copy another trade from the trader, or remove the trader so that you don't copy another trade from that trader. So I'm going to stop here because of our time. I'm going to ask us to reconvene again by 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. That is a pre-market session, and we are going to get up our trader to come up and introduce a strategy, talk to us about the strategy. Then once the market opens, New York session open, we begin to hit the markets very, very hard. Those of you that have not funded your account, the official broker we are using is Naga, because Naga is providing us a lot of support for this particular challenge. And those of you who are not able to fund enough money to be able to martingale and to be able to scalp, I strongly suggest you use a cent account. And we have been able to give you a nice broker that also provides a cent account by the name Equity, One Equity. They have been benevolent enough to provide a cent account, especially for the purpose of this challenge. So for those of you who have $20, $10, $50, $100, you are Sorry, I think my network threw me out. It's very, very interesting. To always have network challenges like this, but then it's fine. So I was trying to round up. I was saying that tomorrow we gather here by 1:30. Those of you coming in for the live in person, we are still at the Wings office complex. So you come on time, you meet us there at the Wings office complex. We will open the position together. We'll open the position together. You'll see us there. We'll manage the position together. We'll manage the risk together. For me, I think risk management is key. You have to decide that you are going to risk 2% of your account maximum for tomorrow, being the starting day. So you shouldn't risk so much for the starting day. Yeah. Somebody say, please pardon my for what? Okay. All right. So I was saying that we shouldn't risk so much tomorrow being the starting day. You risk maybe 2% of your account. So if you are going to open the position when the traders call the position, try not to risk more than 2%. For cent account, that will be 0.01 in 5 places and stop loss 50 pips. So you have to take care of your risk every day when you come. There is also a log sheet where you can fill your opening balance, and also fill in your losses for the day, fill in your profits for the day, or your loss for the day, and fill in the balance, closing balance. So you every day you update profit or loss made, available balance. The next day after the trading completes, profit made, the available balance, or loss made, the available balance. We are able to and drop in the record of their trade, so we can give consolation prices, we can give gifts, we can give recommendations, we can give suggestions to such individuals based on what we have seen them perform. Probably high performers, we recommend them for big investors or big deals or big business based on the results we have found out in the last 21 days. And people who are very, very low performers, we can quickly recommend them to a trainer or a course or a training or a risk management discussion with them. If we see that their problem was psychology or risk management, from the results, we can easily actually tell. We can also request for the investor password of such an account so we can make buttress further recommendations or suggestions, either for the favor for the trader to get more investors or for the trader to get more training or more solutions that would help out. Remember, I was talking about the copy trading thing. So if you are busy doing the live trade going on New York session, I strongly advise, once you set up your account, you check out the performance of one of the strong performers of the on the system. You check out the trade, check out the asset, check out the profits. So the win rates, and then you choose 1% copy. So you can able to copy that trader 1% for tomorrow and see how the trader perform. You disconnect the trader. You can copy 2 or 3 traders at the same time on the Naga platform. So you can always do that. A trader, I'll show you one of the names that I saw, just auto copy. That's all. It's done. I'm very sure we have to close the meeting right now. I was only talking about that you can always set a copy trading on any trader you see that is performing very well. But obviously, we have to stop here because of time. My time is out. If you have any question, please come to the WhatsApp group. Drop your question in the WhatsApp group. You can reach the Instagram handle of the second trader who analyzed. Because of network now, he's not still here. So in the group, you can get to his Instagram handle. I'll try to get all the traders analyzing the market and trading live. I'll try to get their Instagram handle and drop in the group as they analyze or as they trade. So you can be able to reach out to the trader get in touch to the trader if you need to reach out or get in touch to any trader, or follow to see their posts on Instagram, their updates on Instagram, so you can know about the trader and how they are doing their things. You understand what I'm saying? So I have to stop here now because of my time. I really prefer that we would have like 1 hour, but because we couldn't have stand in and still wait to take them up. So I'm so sorry we had to take 2 hours today. Next week, Sunday, we'll take 1 hour. But mind you, the live trading is actually 2 hours. So from 1:30, we'll start trading all the way up to 3:30. So it's actually a 2-hour stretch live trading. So for those of you coming to the live venue in Lagos, Victoria Island, the Wings Office Complex, Victoria Island, Lagos, will be there. We are about 20 in that room. Once we go more than 20, we can't take people coming in again. So it's very important that you let me know you are coming. So we make arrangements for extra seats. Otherwise, we don't want to fill the place up like a seminar or as if something is happening or we are sharing rice. No, it's a live trading environment. The place is very cool and chill. We have our coffee, we have our yogurt, we have our water. We are trading under cool atmosphere. We make profit fine. We lose the account. We lose the trade I make. We can't lose the account in one day. We lose the trade. What we must do differently the next day. On the next trade, we have a very good risk management. We always push it up through to the top of it. So if you have any question, you have any contribution, you have any suggestion, please reach out on the WhatsApp. Right there on the WhatsApp, you'll be able to reach out to me. So if you are on YouTube watching or checking what we have done, we analyze oil, we analyze Bitcoin, we analyze gold. You can reach out through the description button, subscribe on the channel so that you can follow through with all the live trade on this same channel. And then you can reach out in WhatsApp. We want you to actually set up your account with a recommended broker so we can add you up to what we are doing, and also share with you whatever benefits we got from the meeting. And the broker gave us a free get-together party. At the end of the 21 days live trading, we have a free get-together party with everyone who participated. Wherever you are, where the broker has asked us to fly you in a flight for free, put you in a hotel for free, so that you can enjoy the get-days on terms and condition apply. So thank you so much for your time. My time is up. Have a nice day. Please, I would like to see like a closing word. Do you have any closing word before we go? Please go to the chat box and put a closing word. I just want a word with $, star. I just want to see a closing word to help us, consolidate. We are done. Can anyone just go to the chat box and put a closing word? Star, hash yes, bye. Thank you very much. Venue, Victoria Island is the place. The venue is the Wings Office Complex. Tomorrow, Monday, the 3rd of February, and we'll round it up on 4th of February. Then we strictly follow online. Probably we use another location, probably outside Lagos. So thank you.